Morning you guys, it's Karen and I'm here to talk about the new product from The Ordinary, which is the 100% plant-derived Hemi Squalane. By the way, this is my hair in a side parting, and in my last video I had it in a centre parting. Let me know which you think is better, because I was just trialling out that centre parting, and with my hair being so thick it would be much better if I did suit a centre parting, and I have to say most of my life I had a centre parting. Anyway, that's a whole nother subject. For those of you that watch regularly, you'll know that I don't enjoy the squalane. I never have. I enjoy squalane in products. I feel like it does great things for my skin, but using it on its own, I just didn't like the feel of it. And I thought that I didn't like dry oils, because there's a couple of other dry oils I have tried, not from The Ordinary, I can't even think of the names of them, but that I haven't particularly enjoyed the feeling. I didn't feel like I was getting any hit of, you know, moisture or hydration or anything from it. But I, of course, was interested. When they come out with a new product, I'm always curious, and so I thought, let me give it a try. So I've used this in a couple of ways and I'm really enjoying it. And the price is just unbelievable. It's £2.75 this, for this 30ml bottle, £2.75. And by the way, you can now not use the dropper. So I'm just going to get everything out of that dropper. And you can buy these on their own. I think they're £1.80 or something. And then they just twist on. So they fit on the Naiad bottles, they fit on the Ordinary bottles, and then I can show you how it works. So you can just pump it out. So you can see that there, it's a very runny oil. It's not a thick oil at all. And I used it first on my face and I was amazed. You see how quickly that absorbs and doesn't leave, I mean, it leaves a beautiful sheen, but it doesn't leave an oily look. And it's not that type of oil where if I use it I don't feel like my hair is sticking to my face. Often if I use oils I have to make sure all of my hair is back off my face because I feel like I'm getting oil on my hair. I didn't feel like that at all. It just feels really, really smooth. So I am a fan compared to the normal squalane. Now unfortunately I don't have the squalane, the original squalane, because I don't like it, so I didn't keep it. I suppose just as the website describes, this one is a lot more lightweight. It feels a lot more lightweight. This is the most lightweight oil I have ever felt, and this is a great oil in terms of its stability. It's got great stability and it's good for any skin type. So if you're oily, have oily skin, but maybe you're feeling dehydrated or you want to, you know, keep your skin really supple, this is a great choice. I've also used this on my hair. I used a little bit in my hair, only a little bit on the ends, because I wanted to see whether it was one that would weigh it down or not. When I blow dried it, was it yesterday or the day before, whenever this arrived, and again, it was nice. I'm going to use it a little bit more the next time I blow dry my hair and put it a bit sort of further up, you know. So like I said, I just put it on the ends and I'll put it a little bit further up. In fact, I could probably put some on it now because it's a little bit frizzy where I have, whenever I curl my hair, it gets a little bit frizzy. So let's put, that was 2 pumps there. So I'm just going to rub it into my hands. I have to be careful my hands don't just absorb it, and just sort of put it over these dry bits. And I like to sometimes put oil on my hair before I'm washing it anyway, so this would probably be quite a good one. Yeah, that's actually quite nice as a sort of smoothing down product. Can you see that it's taken away those sort of little bits that were sticking up, those little frizzy bits? Yeah, I like that. As far as squalane as an ingredient, because I don't know what I'm calling this video yet, I don't think I'm going to call it ingredient spotlight. I may change my mind, but there isn't any evidence out there about squalane as something topical. It is an emollient, so it is going to work. It's definitely going to make your skin feel more supple and feel better, but there isn't any specific condition that I would say you need to try this for. You know, it's not used in anything medical, or I can't find one single study on topical squalane or hemi-squalane. The differences between them, like I said, is just that this is a lot more of a lightweight product, even though squalane is fairly lightweight. On the squalane, on The Ordinary, there are some really good reviews, and people have said that their skin was much softer and much plumper after using it. So nothing else to say on that. So let me know if you've tried it and enjoyed it. It's not a Black Friday price. £2.75 is the full price, so it's really good. So you can't really lose for £2.75, can you? Tell you about my makeup. I have got on the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in Light, the original one. On my eyes is the Anastasia Norvina Palette. Is it Anastasia? Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's her daughter, but it's still Anastasia. On my cheeks, I have got MAC blush in Stubborn. I can't remember, I used a lip liner on my lips and I can't remember what it was, and then I just used the Buxom lip gloss in White Russian. I'll list it in the description exactly what I used. This jewellery I've just talked about in the jewellery haul from jewellerybox.co.uk. This jumper is from Marks and Spencer's, and that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again.